Jetsono is a pressure washer that claims to deliver professional-grade cleaning power, remove tough dirt 10 times faster, and save users from hiring expensive services. It promises a compact yet powerful design with multiple spray patterns, military-grade durability, and eco-friendly efficiency. Jetsono also claims it works on various surfaces like driveways, patios, fences, and cars. Sounds amazing, right? But does it actually work, or is it just overhyped? Stick around. We're breaking it all down, and you won't want to miss this. If you visit Jetsono's official website, you'll see only positive reviews. But when we dig deeper, things start looking suspicious. A quick check on Trustpilot reveals a completely different story. Tons of negative reviews, with people calling it a scam. One buyer even tested it personally and confirmed that it doesn't work as advertised. What's worse, some users claim that Jetsono fakes its demo videos by secretly using an expensive €100 pressure washer to create an illusion of high power. This strongly suggests that the glowing reviews on their website aren't genuine and might have been added just to mislead potential customers. Another major red flag is their claim of being featured on ABC, Daily Mail, Fox, and many more. That sounds impressive until you realize there's no actual proof. No links, no articles, nothing. If they were really featured in such well-known media outlets, they would have provided some evidence. Without it, these claims seem like just another marketing trick to appear more trustworthy than they actually are. The next problem is with their so-called before and after pictures. We've all seen those satisfying transformation images on product websites. But here's the catch: Jetsono's images aren't even original. A quick Google search reveals that these exact same photos are used on multiple websites, meaning they were likely copied and not taken from actual Jetsono users. This kind of deceptive marketing raises serious doubts about the product's real effectiveness. And let's talk about their aggressive sales tactics. Ever been on a website and suddenly seen a pop-up saying, "Congratulations, you've unlocked a 60% discount," or "Hurry, only a few left in stock"? Jetsono does this a lot. These tactics are designed to pressure customers into making a quick purchase before they can properly think it through. They also throw in fancy phrases like military-grade power and 10x faster in under 5 minutes, which honestly sound more like gimmicks than reality. With red flags like fake reviews, false claims, and misleading images, Jetsono might not be as good as it seems. If it truly worked, why rely on deception? Think twice and research before spending your money. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews.